I'm Joshua, a teenage farmer, and come along today as I take care of a herd of beef cattle and also do a bunch of other chores around the farm. Enjoy. It's about a little past 7:30 and right now I'm out here bush hogging this pasture. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just finished up this pasture here and we're going to go to the one over there. I got quite a bit of bush hogging done. I got that whole pasture up there finished and then also like did half of this one. But I'm gonna move on to some other chores. I gotta get this shop cleaned up and we got some more pallets of feed to put in here. So I'm gonna clean up the old ones and we'll put the new feed in here. Right now we have to go feed and move all the beef cows, so I'm gonna get some feed for them, make it a little easier to move. We've got some minerals right here and we got the feed right there. That's the bull right there. We just put him in with the cows on, let's see, Saturday. Yeah. He's only like, he's not that old. He's really young still. I think there's like 36 cows here total. There's a few calves earlier. They're not gonna be weaned quite yet. All the cows are in this new pasture. They're really happy. But they have probably like maybe 5 acres here to eat, so they'll be in here for at least 3 to 5 days. I'm gonna eat my lunch now. You gotta drink a lot of water. I also got a Coke Zero for lunch, and then I got a sandwich and some granola bars. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and then we're gonna get right back into bush hogging some more pastures. So enjoy. Right now I'm on a pretty steep slope, not too steep. Just finishing up just a little bit left on this pasture, and then we'll be done this one.